One of the main features that Zenphi offers is being able to assign tasks to different users. Whether these users are within your organization, outside of your organization, or even if they don't use Zenphi, they're allowed to be able to respond to your tasks, making all of your processes faster and more efficient. Now on screen you're seeing our standardized Zenphi task template. However, our Ultimate and Enterprise users have the ability to be able to customize this template by adding some branding, changing the colors, and today I'm going to be showing you how easy that can be. Head on over to Zenphi, go to your settings by clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left, scroll down and go to Task Assignment. Here you're able to use the custom HTML template for all of your tasks. Now here you have two options. You can use the editor to add HTML here, or you can import templates if you already have one created within Zenphi. If you want to create your own email template, you can go back to the gear icon, go to Email Templates, and you can create a new template here. We have different options which you can use. You can play around with the colors, change the images, and much more. I'll go ahead and check this option, import the template, and select it from the drop-down. To be able to see it here, your template must be published. So let's say I have generated this HTML for my template task. I have indicated where the body should go, as well as the outcomes. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and save. You can preview it in desktop and in mobile format as well. Once the changes have been saved, we can create a test flow with an assigned task. That way we can see the new format. I will name the subject new task format so that we know it pertains to this specific task. And if I take a look at my email, I can see that I have the task with the new HTML format, the new branding, the new colors. All Zenphi branding has been removed, and you're able to also use the buttons here to be able to respond to the task. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments section and let us know what else you would like to know how to do with Zenphi.